I'll make two comments, one of what we're doing internally and one what we're seeing from our conversation with asset managers and asset owners. One, what we're doing from a research, we have about 200 plus researchers on the investment due diligence side. We have about 45 people globally doing research on the operational due diligence side. When you think about that force, AI, the large language model has really been a force multiplier. From people that write detailed research reports to using LLMs to get through their day has really been a game changer. Whether it's assessing documents, whether it's writing language, there is a little bit of risk to that as we're going slowly to make sure it's not garbage in, garbage out. That ties to data. So that's what we're seeing with asset owners and asset managers. Those really kind of focused on good data hygiene, making sure that their organization is really, really tight with data. They're the ones that are really going to use this AI, large language models as a strategic advantage to their business. Those smaller firms that may not be well as equipped as those larger managers are kind of playing behind the eight ball and really are kind of faced with a decision. Do you buy or build? Do you get the talent organically to grow this, or do you leverage third-party partnerships in order to take advantage of this technology? So we do see a lot of haves and have-nots. We are looking and using large language models. For example, we have a proprietary built system, but it only accesses information that Mercer has. Now, Mercer happens to be a very large consultant agency with businesses across the industry, so there's a ton of internal information to be able to access. But if you're a smaller firm and don't have that robust data or research or information, you're not really going to benefit of that. We're allowed to use ChatGPT, but we have a compliance ring fence around it, meaning anything I put in there, I can't copy and paste confidential information. That's a control that Mercer is putting on part of this technology. And that's a best practice that we would like to see at asset managers. So it's a really, really interesting race right now. The more resourced are focusing on data and taking advantage of it.